Welcome back, guys. This is an important video. What blades fit your clipper? These are two different clippers. This is a Wahl, this is a Joyzze Falcon. This happens to be a 5-in-1 clipper. What blades and what guard combs are gonna work with these clippers? I'm gonna take the guesswork out of it for you guys. This is the only video that you're gonna need to understand your clipper, what blades, what guard combs are compatible. The first thing we have to establish is there are two types of dog grooming clippers. One is a detachable blade clipper, one is an adjustable blade clipper. There are many different brands of these types of clippers. There's Wahl, Andis, Oster, there's Joyzze, there's KM10, there's Heiniger. Heiniger makes a detachable blade clipper and they make an adjustable blade clipper. How do you know what blades, what guard combs fit on these clippers, and are they universal? This is how you determine if you have a detachable blade clipper. Does your clipper have a blade release where you can simply pop a metal blade off your clipper and it has a slot where it seats into a blade drive, just like this? You turn the clipper on and then you seat the blade. Because that blade drive is moving back and forth, it positions itself right there in the blade so it can move the blade cutter. If your clipper behaves this way, you have an A5 detachable blade clipper. It may not be a Wahl, it may be a Joyzze Falcon, it may be a Joyzze Raptor, it may be an Andis 2-speed, it may be an Andis Pulse. If the blade comes off like this by pressing this blade release and it is a metal blade, you have a detachable blade clipper. Adjustable blade clippers. How do I know if my clipper is an adjustable blade clipper? Turn it around. Does it have blade settings that you can adjust with a lever or some type of a clicking action? That is adjusting the height of the blade. You will not find that on detachable blades. If this is a 10, this is only always ever a 10, period. There are advantages to the blades we use on adjustable blade clippers and the blades we use on detachable blade clippers. I will talk about that in a minute. This is an adjustable blade clipper because the blade adjusts with a lever. This is an older, one of my favorite adjustable blade clippers. This is a KM10 Flash, the original. How do I know this is an adjustable blade clipper? It does not have a lever on the back. Now does it? Nope. But it does have a lever here where we're switching blade length. See that? Adjustable blade clipper. Detachable blade clippers, the blade comes off by pressing a blade release. Adjustable blade clippers means the blade length is adjustable by a lever. So now you know. Maybe you have one of each. I have many of each. Now you know what kind of clipper you have. What blades can you use? Let's start with detachable blade clippers. I'm just going to make it fun and switch clippers. We're going to look at the Joyzze Falcon. This is a detachable blade clipper. It has a blade release and it has a blade hinge that the blade sits on. Can I use a Wahl blade? Yes, absolutely. All detachable blade clippers and detachable blades are made to fit any clipper. Let's pop this number 10 Wahl blade on the Joyzze Falcon. Works just fine. Let's take that same blade off. Press and hold the blade release. Pop the blade off. Let's put it on a Wahl detachable blade clipper. Turn the clipper on, seat the blade. This is a Wahl blade on a Wahl clipper. Fabulous. Let's really change things up. Let's put a fresh blade on this Wahl detachable blade clipper. Turn it on, seat the blade. Why does it work? Because this is a detachable blade clipper. Any of your blades, including wide blades, will work on any detachable blade clipper. Can I put this detachable blade on this KM10 Flash? Heck no. Absolutely not. Very different blade types. Of course, they all come free with hair if you're in my salon. Detachable blade clippers are made strictly of metal. Sometimes they'll have ceramic cutting edge, which is this part of the blade that goes back and forth. Sometimes they'll have a ceramic coating on the blade, which Joyzze blades have that, and I'm very, very fond of these blades because they stay cooler longer. They also stay sharper longer because it has a coating mixed with the metal on their detachable blades. But I can use this Joyzze wide on my Wahl clipper. No problem, because it's an A5 style wide blade. Adjustable blades behave completely different. They're mostly made of plastic. This is why they don't plow through the coat like an A5 blade does. This is a standard size. This is a wide A5 blade. Both fit on detachable blade clippers. These strong metal blades are what dog groomers use to perform full haircuts on dogs. You can do it with a lightweight, low vibration, adjustable blade clipper because you can get guard combs for these, and I'm going to show you that in a second. But the power of the blade and the power of the clipper is different. They do have power, adjustable blade clippers. They do have power. But power and torque to move a metal blade are two different things. That's why adjustable blade clippers have these little lightweight, plastic kind of little blades. This little blade on the Joyzze, I mean, it's a great design. It's wonderful. It has a purpose. But this is not a strong metal blade. This is a blade and a clipper type that I would use to carefully perform detailed trims like sanitary trimming, shaving the face of a poodle, shaving feet of a poodle. I love these clippers and these blades for that because they're delicate. Those are delicate areas. When I'm doing full body trim on any breed, I want a detachable blade clipper. And that's why I tell you guys, if you're gonna buy any clipper, buy a detachable blade clipper, then you always have it. It can perform on any coat type as long as the coat's prepared properly. We know that. There's limitations to adjustable blade clippers and the performance levels that they can give you. Definitely a place in the grooming world for these. I love them, I use them all the time. As I just explained, delicate, detailed areas, I like to go for these adjustable blade clippers. Now that you know if you need to use detachable blades, any brand, or adjustable blades, we mentioned how our detachable blade clippers are compatible with any brand of detachable blades. However, that is not the case for our adjustable blade clippers. Why? This happens to be the new Kenchi Flash 5. This is a cool clipper. It is a what? Adjustable blade clipper. Okay, now say the blade goes dull for me. I gotta replace this blade. This is an adjustable blade. Joyzze has their 5-in-1 blades on sale. Should I assume that it's gonna work for the Kenchi Flash 5? I know the answer to that. Yes, Joyzze blades will work on the Kenchi Flash 5. They are made from the same manufacturer. However, across the board, let's say you have a Wahl Bravera. Should you risk, oh, the Joyzze blade is on sale, I need a new 5-in-1 blade, can I assume it works for the Wahl Bravera? It probably will, but I want to tell you, buy the blades for your adjustable blade clippers that align with that clipper. Then you don't have to worry. We already know these blades are not sharpenable. We cannot sharpen these. We already know that. Once we're done with them, we can recycle them by sending them back to the brand and buying a new one. But they're not sharpenable. All your detachable blades are. A5 style detachable blades are able to be sharpened. So if you have a 5-in-1 clipper or a Wahl Bravera 5-in-1 clipper, buy the blade that the brand suggests is most compatible. It's on their website. This is a Kenchi Flash 5 clipper. I'm going to buy a replacement Kenchi Flash 5 blade, and then I don't have to worry. That's your safest bet with adjustable blade clippers. If you're using a Joyzze Hornet, the blade needs replaced, buy the blade that Joyzze recommends for their Hornet, which is a Joyzze Hornet blade. Then you don't have to worry. Now we understand blades and their clipper compatibility. What about guard combs? Big question here, guys. First, let's talk about detachable blade clippers, A5 style clippers, detachable blade clippers. This is a Wahl with a Joyzze wide blade. I can use a fresh wide guard comb That's because guard combs are universal for detachable blade clippers, just like blades are, as long as they're made for detachable blade clippers. So this is a fresh brand guard comb. Now this is a wide guard comb, so it may only fit on a wide blade. This is a Joyzze wide blade on a Wahl KM cordless detachable blade clipper. Are you starting to understand how this goes now, my friends? Detachable blade clippers have a universal system. I can also use the Joyzze wide guard comb. Let's put that on a fresh wide 30 blade. Different brand on a detachable blade Wahl clipper, Joyzze wide guard comb. This is a system that's universal. You see, this is what I'm trying to explain to you. That's why I have always told you guys, you want to find a detachable blade clipper that you love, because whether you have Joyzze blades that are in good shape, still sharp, or you have standard size blades, wide blades, this system works with a detachable blade clipper. And these are stronger blades. They can plow through coat with a lot more accuracy than a 5-in-1 clipper can. Adjustable blade clippers have a specific system to that type of clipper. Okay, these are wide guard combs, wide blades. Let me show you my new speed comb. This is coming out very soon. We are the middle of March right now, and hopefully before the end of April, beginning of May, you will be able to get a speed comb by Amy Lee. What it is it is engineered differently than our regular wide guard combs. Mine has a couple more teeth, so it closes the gap so we don't get as many track lines. And it also has skip tooth entry so that we can easily enter into those dense, heavy coats. Once the coat enters into the guard comb, it feeds it with precision into the cutting edge of the clipper blade. These are going to be awesome. They're going to become your new best friend. Another thing that my speed comb corrected, you see on all guard combs, the last two teeth have a wider gap than the rest of the teeth on the comb. It's just been a design that has never been corrected. See that? The speed comb corrects that. All the teeth on the speed comb are evenly placed across the comb, so we won't get tracking lines. That is going to leave a line in the coat. So the speed comb corrects that. You guys can get these soon. I'll be making many videos to teach you how to use them and what the benefits are. But what will they work with? You said it. I heard you say it. Detachable blade clippers. Wide blades only. These are coming out wide blades only. They attach the exact same way as any other wide clipper blade. Must be a wide blade, must be a detachable blade clipper. Speed comb by Amy Lee, you're going to love these. They are extremely safe. People say, well, they look sharp. No, they are the same teeth as we already have on guard combs. They are just engineered to control the coat feed. Wow, what a difference. Now, let's look at our regular size blades. We all have them, right? There's times where we like to use them. That little Shih Tzu, that little toy poodle. I don't want to use a wide blade. I want to use a standard blade. No problem. Your detachable clipper is compatible with whatever A5 detachable blades you have. And so are your standard size guard combs. This happens to be Wahl standard size guard combs. This is a Wahl clipper blade, but it will also work just fine if I have a Joyzze blade on my Wahl detachable blade clipper. I'm trying to help you guys understand that this detachable blade system is universal. Heiniger clippers, Wahl, Oster, Andis, as long as it's called an A5 style detachable blade clipper. How do I know it's a detachable blade clipper? I have a blade release. I can pop the metal clipper blade off. Now let's get one more thing straight. Can you use attachment guard combs with an adjustable blade clipper? Absolutely, they make them. They tend to be universal. This is the Joyzze brand of guard comb attachments. They go on differently. They slide on until they stop. That is how you attach and detach. Use your thumb and pull. So you slide it on. Don't push it with your hands. Slide it on and you put your thumb here and you slide it off. That is how they work. Do they work on most adjustable blade clippers? Yeah, they do. But there again, if I am using a Kenchi Flash 5, I'm going to get the Kenchi adjustable blade guard combs. But what if I have a Wahl Bravera? Yeah, these should work. But for me, I would be more tempted to buy the guard comb attachments for Wahl adjustable blade clippers to make sure. I've had them where they fit, but you know, where I'm trying to cross brands, put a Kenchi guard comb on a Wahl clipper or vice versa. And I felt, yeah, they are universal. I can get it to work, but I just feel like it's not the perfect fit. So the moral to the story with using adjustable blade clippers is always buy the blade for that clipper and try to buy the guard comb brand that your clipper is. If it's adjustable blade clipper. Remember, adjustable blades have a lever on them. Detachable blades do not. They are a fixed blade. A good system to rely on is the system for detachable blade clippers, A5 style clippers. They call them the same thing. Look in the descriptions of your product descriptions when you're buying a clipper, or if you have a Joyzze Falcon and you're not sure, you go to Joyzze's website, you look up the Falcon clipper, you scroll down in the product description and you look and see, is that an A5 or detachable blade? Is that how they're identifying it? Yes, it is. That means I can use standard size blades of any brand on this clipper. That means I can use wide blades on a detachable clipper. And that means I can use wide guard combs of any brand with this clipper and standard size guard combs of any brand with this clipper. That is the science behind the system. A5 clippers have been the reliable professional clipper choice from groomers over 5-6 decades, guys, and continuing. We have some great clippers on the market when it comes to detachable blade style clippers. This is the system I use no matter what dog I'm grooming. The only time I go for an adjustable blade clipper is when I want to do detailed work, or I have a dog who won't let me trim around the face. They're sensitive. These clippers are so quiet and they have very little vibration that dogs tend to tolerate them a little better, but not always. I can tell you, not always. I don't rely on using guard combs with my adjustable blade clippers because if I got to do body work, I want smooth, precise work. I'm going for a detachable blade clipper and detachable blade clipper guard combs. They all work amongst each other, whatever brand the guard comb is. As long as it's a detachable blade clipper, you can use whatever blade brands you like. You can use whatever guard combs you like that are made for detachable blade clippers. It's a better system. So I bet you feel a whole lot better now. Now you feel confident. What blades, what guard combs can I order depending on what clipper I have and which clipper I use? We're talking professional pet grooming clippers. Professional, period. There are so many weird brands out there that claim they're for animals. Only the clippers that you see professionals use are the type of clippers you should be considering if you're going to give a dog a haircut. Whether you're a beginner, you groom your own dog, or you're a seasoned groomer. If you are, you already know that. So if you've enjoyed this video, I'm going to pop another video up on the screen that you're really going to love. This is a friend of mine who grooms her own dogs who came to my salon and said, put a bunch of clippers in my hand. I need a new detachable blade clipper. Which one am I going to love? I don't know how to decide. This was wonderful. She tested different blades, she tested different clippers, and she tested wide guard combs for the first time, which was eye-opening for her. So go click on that video. You're going to love it, and I'll see you in the next one.